Imagine this. You just became the owner of the Toyota BZ Woodland. And right away, you know this isn't just about practicality. With 375 horsepower and 0 to 60 in about 4.4 seconds, there is real power here. But that is not the whole story. As you start walking around it, the answer begins to reveal itself. The roof rails, the rugged body cladding around the wheel arches. Everything about it tells you this SUV was built for more than just the daily commute. Then you step inside. The cabin feels durable, practical, and ready for real life. Then you open the rear door. And honestly, this is one of the first things that surprises you. There's more room than you expected, and you can already picture your family or friends enjoying every trip. But the moment that really makes you feel better about your decision is the cargo area. It's practical, it's spacious, and standing there, you start realizing exactly why you chose the Toyota BZ Woodland. And of course, you bought this one from Bev Smith Toyota, and they gave you the kind of deal that made this decision a lot easier. Then you look at the outside again. You look at the roof rails. This is where you already start thinking about bikes, extra cargo, maybe a road trip. They are not just there for looks. They are part of why this car makes sense. Then you move to the back, and that full-width rear light bar immediately gets your attention. It looks clean, modern, and expensive. The lower rear bumper is fully protected with plastic too, and that gives you more confidence using this car in real life, not just keeping it perfect in a driveway. But then you notice there is no spare tire, and yes, that part is a little disappointing. But then you look again at the plastic wheel arch protection, the stance, the shape, and the whole Woodland idea starts coming back. Then you see the charging port, and this is important, because with Tesla-style charging access, living with this EV starts to feel much easier. You are not thinking only about range anymore. You are thinking about where this car can actually take you. Then you move to the front, and yes, it may remind you of a few other electric SUVs, but the Woodland has its own details. The front hood area has that practical plastic insert, which looks rugged and useful. Maybe over time, plastic can show age, but right now, it fits the character of the car. And then you notice the 360 cameras. That is one of those features you appreciate after you buy the car. And little by little, the Woodland keeps giving you reasons why this choice makes sense. Then you get back behind the wheel, just to experience it one more time. You press the start button, nothing. No engine noise, just silence. And somehow, that silence makes the cabin feel even more premium. Then you take a look around. The cabin feels open and spacious. The black headliner gives the interior a sportier feel, while the large center display keeps everything within easy reach. Open the door and you notice the little details. The upper door panel is soft where your arm naturally rests. The lower section uses durable materials that are built for everyday life, and there's plenty of storage for a large water bottle and other essentials. The steering wheel even reminds you a little of the Prius. Familiar, but with its own personality. Then your eyes drop behind the steering wheel. Those paddle shifters aren't for changing gears. This is an EV. Instead, they let you adjust the level of regenerative braking. More regeneration means the car slows down more when you lift off the accelerator, helping recover energy and making one-pedal driving feel even more natural. Now let's talk tech. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. Everything shows up right in front of you on the driver's display. It looks a little different at first, but you get used to it quickly. The center console is clean and practical. 2 wireless charging pads, plenty of storage, and a 360-degree camera you'll end up using every day. Parking just got a whole lot easier. Then there's X mode. Press one button and the system automatically manages traction, power, and braking on snow, mud, gravel, or other slippery surfaces. You don't need to be an off-road expert. The Woodland does the hard work for you. And that's another reason this SUV starts making more sense the longer you own it. The gear selector is unusual at first. This rotary-style shifter takes a second to understand, but after that, it feels simple and clean. The 360 camera is useful too, You can change the view, check your surroundings, and even see what is happening near the wheels. For parking, trails, or tight spaces, that matters. Under the center console, there is extra storage and another charging port. Simple, but useful. In the middle, you get 2 cup holders, then the armrest. At first, you almost look for a button on top, but then you remember, it opens from both sides. Storage inside is not huge, but the organizer makes it more practical. Then you look at the seats. The driver's seat has power adjustment and lumbar support, and the seat itself feels really good. Soft, supportive, and shaped nicely around your body. That part surprises you right away. Even the passenger seat has power adjustment. Not as much as the driver's side, but still, it feels good to have it. The passenger door gives you the same practical storage, and in front there is this wide dashboard area. Honestly, you already know someone is going to use it. Phone, glasses, small bag. Your wife will probably claim that space immediately. By the way, both front seats are heated, and once you start using the center screen, it feels very familiar. Simple Toyota logic, big display, easy menus, nothing complicated. You still get a real volume knob, physical climate controls, and a few shortcut buttons for quick access. And honestly, that matters, because not everything needs to be hidden inside a screen. You can quickly get to the safety settings, driver assist features, and other important controls. The system is clear, easy to learn, easy to live with. Now, the small gauge cluster in front of the steering wheel, yes, it does feel a little dated. You notice it. But this is not why you bought the Woodland. You bought it for practicality, for comfort, for space, for reliability, for the way it fits your life. And once you remember that, the small screen stops bothering you as much. Now you want to see the second row, because this is where the Woodland needs to prove itself again. Then you open the rear door, and right away you notice how wide it opens. Not exactly 90 degrees, but wide enough to make getting in very easy. And then you see the rubber mats. Small thing, but for real life, very useful. The flat floor is even better. No big hump in the middle. And that is one of the big advantages of an EV. The rear door panels use similar materials as the front. Practical, durable, easy to live with. And if you're around 6 feet tall, this second row really surprises you. There is a lot of room for this class. In this trim, the rear seats are heated too, which makes a big difference on longer drives. The seat recline is simple, only 2 positions, nothing crazy, but at least you have the option. And on a road trip, that matters. The seats themselves feel comfortable. The armrest has cup holders and even a spot for a phone. Simple, practical, and exactly what you want after you already bought the car. Now comes the part that surprised you the most, the cargo area. You open the power tailgate and right away you want to check one thing. Can it become flat? You fold the second row and yes, it is flat enough to make camping actually realistic. A mattress, gear, bags, this space can handle it. You can also fold the second row from the cargo area, which makes life easier. And the space itself feels huge, almost like a wagon. Wide, long, and very usable. You get tie-down hooks for cargo. You get practical storage underneath. No spare tire, unfortunately, but the hidden cargo shade is there. The rubber cargo net is there too. And that makes the whole area feel more complete. Then you notice the power outlet. This is a 120-volt AC outlet rated up to 1,500 watts. So you can run or charge bigger things. Camping gear, tools, small electronics, even some outdoor equipment. And in a car like this, that matters, because this is not just cargo space, this is usable space. And honestly, this trunk is one of the biggest reasons the Woodland starts to feel like a smart buy. And then you drive it, because this thing has 375 horsepower. And now everything clicks. It feels quick, very quick. But what surprises you more is how light it feels on the road. For its size, the Woodland feels sharp, easy to place, and very responsive. That is the beauty of an electric all-wheel drive SUV. Power comes instantly, traction is always there, And when you press the pedal, the acceleration hits right away. Toyota says it does 0 to 60 in about 4.4 seconds. And with 8.4 inches of ground clearance, this is not just a city EV. You can take it beyond perfect pavement. Snow, gravel, light trails, bad roads. This is where X mode gives you more confidence. Not because it turns the Woodland into a hardcore off-roader, but because it makes you feel ready for real life. And after everything you saw, the space, the comfort, the cargo area, the power, the deal, you can finally say it. This is one of those cars where the money starts to feel justified. You bought it, you questioned it, and now you understand why.